Ready to turn your space into something straight out of a luxury design magazine? These next-level Amazon smart home upgrades bring comfort, control, and a sleek, modern vibe to every corner of your home. From voice-activated lighting to high-end automation that works behind the scenes, everything feels effortless and elevated. You'll find all the links waiting for you in the description below. Keep your family organized with this smart digital calendar. It doubles as a photo frame, letting you display memories while managing schedules. Plan meals, assign tasks, and sync everyone's calendars with a tap. Perfect for busy households. Smart reminders and weather updates help you stay on top of every day, while sleep mode dims the screen at night. Compact, stylish, and easy to use, it's ideal for home or office spaces. Struggling with foreign text or reading challenges? This translation and reading pen scans words, translates them into over 100 languages, and even reads them aloud. Perfect for learners, travelers, or anyone with dyslexia, it highlights text on screen for easy comprehension. You can scan, translate, and export notes instantly, turning paper into digital files. Compact and portable, it fits in your bag, letting you learn and understand anywhere you go. Say goodbye to awkward angles and splashes at the sink. This rotatable bathroom faucet swivels 1080 degrees and adjusts in height, letting you rinse, wash, or fill containers with ease. The LED display shows water temperature in real time, so you never get scalded, while color-changing lights add a soft glow to your bathroom. 2 spray modes and a single handle make controlling flow and temperature effortless. Built with brass and stainless steel, it's durable and smooth for daily use. Breathe smarter with this portable air quality monitor. It tracks PM, CO2, TVOC, and more in real time, keeping you informed about the air around you. A high-precision sensor updates every few seconds, while the color display makes data easy to read at a glance. One-button controls and silent alerts make it simple to use anywhere, from your bedroom to your car. Compact, stylish, and rechargeable, it helps you and your loved ones breathe easier every day. Bring the elegance of a wine bar right to your countertop. This 4-bottle dispenser chills, preserves, and pours your favorite wines at the perfect temperature. Digital controls let you set exact degrees for reds, whites, or sparkling, so every glass tastes just right. The sleek metallic design, LED display, and see-through doors show off your collection while keeping it fresh for weeks. Pour a tasting or a full glass effortlessly, whether at home or for guests. Why spend hours scrubbing windows when a robot can do it for you? This automatic window cleaner glides across glass with AI path planning for streak-free results. Dual spray nozzles and microfiber pads tackle dirt, dust, and fingerprints effortlessly. You control it with a remote, choosing from multiple modes for quick spots or deep cleans. With strong suction, edge detection, and safety features, it keeps your windows spotless without any risk. Step inside without ever taking off your shoes. This smart shoe cover dispenser wraps your shoes in seconds, keeping floors clean effortlessly. Just step in, and the machine automatically covers your shoes in 3 seconds. No bending required. It's perfect for homes, offices, medical facilities, or any space where cleanliness matters. Durable and economical, one roll covers hundreds of shoes, saving you from messy floors and endless slippers. Laundry day just got a serious upgrade. This compact clothes dryer dries your clothes fast with dual motors and a 360-degree rotating drum. Sensors adjust time and temperature automatically, so your clothes come out perfectly dry without overdoing it. It even has a special silk mode and a shoe drying function for delicate items. Small and portable, it fits on a table or in tight spaces, making it ideal for apartments or dorms. Why settle for a regular sink when you can have a full workstation? This gold kitchen sink comes with a double waterfall, LED temperature display, and a pull-out faucet for ultimate control. Built-in cup washer, soap dispenser, and touch controls make washing and prepping effortless. Switch between water modes with a simple press and adjust temperature with a hand wheel. Compact yet multifunctional, it's perfect for kitchens, bars, or even outdoor setups. Say goodbye to cluttered nightstands. This smart LED nightstand not only holds your essentials, but also charges your devices wirelessly. The 3-color LED lights let you set the perfect mood with a simple press, and you can adjust brightness to your liking. A built-in safe keeps your valuables secure with multiple unlock options. Sleek, modern, and quiet on the rails, it fits seamlessly in bedrooms, living rooms, or small spaces. Tired of guessing if your cocktail will taste right? This smart drink maker mixes bar-quality cocktails in just seconds. From margaritas to whiskey sours, every pour comes out perfectly balanced. Connect it to an app to explore recipes, customize drinks, or invent your own creations. The insulated storage keeps ingredients cold, and cleanup is a breeze, so you can spend more time enjoying the party than making it. Forget fumbling for keys or remembering combos. This smart fingerprint padlock unlocks in just 0.2 seconds with a simple touch of your finger. You can also control it through an app, share access with friends, and check unlock records anytime. Built with strong alloy steel and a cut-resistant shackle, it's tough enough for lockers, gates, or sheds. With long battery life and fast USB-C charging, it stays ready when you need it most. Ever wished your TV could move as easily as you do? This 32-inch smart portable TV brings 4K Ultra HD right to any room, or even outdoors. The touchscreen responds to 10 fingers at once, making navigation fast and fun. Its built-in 15,000 mAh battery keeps you entertained for hours without hunting for outlets. With a full swivel base and silent wheels, you can angle it perfectly whether you're watching, cooking, or relaxing. Turn any sofa into a full-featured lounge spot. This multifunctional armrest slides into gaps between sofas and gives you a cup holder, storage for remotes or phones, and a convenient spot to charge your devices. The built-in wireless charging stand keeps your phone powered without messy cables, while an adjustable LED reading light brightens your evening without disturbing anyone. Made with soft, durable fabric, it's easy to install and keeps your space tidy. Comfort, convenience, and tech all within arm's reach. Workday comfort just got a serious upgrade. This big and tall executive chair reclines with a touch of a button, giving you the perfect angle to relax or focus. Built-in lumbar support and thick cushioning keep your back, arms, and legs comfy during long hours at your desk. A retractable footrest adds extra relaxation when you lean back. Wheels and a 360-degree swivel make moving around effortless, and the USB/Type-C ports keep your devices powered while you work or unwind. It's sturdy, stylish, and designed for full-day comfort. Your microwave can do more than just reheat leftovers. This over-the-range model saves counter space while adding powerful ventilation right above your cooktop. A built-in fan quickly pulls away smoke and steam, keeping your kitchen air fresh. Sensor cooking adjusts time and power automatically, so your food comes out just right without guesswork. Handy preset buttons handle popcorn, potatoes, drinks, and more with one touch. Sleek stainless steel styling and a hidden vent design keep everything looking clean and modern while you cook. Your mirror just turned into a smart screen. This waterproof vanity mirror hides a full-touch display behind the glass, so you can watch videos or check the weather while getting ready. Turn it off, and it looks like a sleek, high-definition mirror again. Adjustable LED lighting lets you switch between warm, natural, or bright white to match your space. Built-in anti-fog keeps the reflection clear, even after a hot shower. With Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and app support, you can stream, browse, and control everything with a simple touch. Cooking perfect rice shouldn't feel like guesswork. This smart grain cooker weighs what you add and automatically calculates the exact water it needs. The built-in tank then dispenses the right amount for you, so your rice, beans, or quinoa turn out just right every time. With over 20 preset options, you can explore everything from oats to farro with a simple tap on the touchscreen. There's even a steamer basket on top, so you can cook veggies or fish while your grains simmer below. Set a delay timer, walk away, and let it handle dinner. Music shouldn't just be heard, it should be seen. This magnetic levitating speaker floats a glowing orb in midair while it spins and plays your favorite tracks. The rotating design spreads sound in every direction, creating a true 3D audio experience all around you. With Bluetooth connectivity, you can stream from your phone from across the room without losing clarity. Simple touch controls let you adjust volume, switch light effects, or power it on in seconds. It's part speaker, part light show, and completely unforgettable. Pool cleaning just went on autopilot. This robotic pool cleaner dives in and handles the floor, walls, and even the water line without you lifting a finger. Dual-layer filtration traps everything from big leaves to tiny dust particles, so your water looks crystal clear. Smart navigation maps the pool and adjusts its path in real time, making sure no spot gets missed. With up to 180 minutes of battery life, it covers more in one go. You can control it from an app and even get updates that improve performance over time. Your bedroom just got a futuristic upgrade. This floating nightstand mounts to the wall, giving you a clean, modern look while freeing up floor space. On top, you get built-in wireless charging plus USB and Type-C ports, so you can power all your devices without messy cords. The touch panel lets you switch between warm, cool, or natural LED light with a simple tap. A smooth sliding drawer keeps your essentials tucked away, but close at hand. It's smart storage, soft lighting, and a charging station, all in one sleek design. What if your coffee table did way more than hold your remote? This smart table comes with built-in refrigerated drawers, so your drinks and snacks stay perfectly chilled right beside you. The digital panel lets you adjust the temperature with a simple touch. On top, you get wireless charging plus USB ports to power your phone, tablet, or laptop without messy cables. Built-in Bluetooth speakers deliver rich sound, and subtle lights move with the music to set the mood. It's storage, sound system, charger, and mini fridge, all in one sleek centerpiece. Wrinkles don't stand a chance anymore. This digital steam press gives you that crisp, just ironed look in a fraction of the time. It heats up in about 3 minutes, so you're not left waiting around. 5 fabric settings let you safely press everything from delicate silk to sturdy linen with the right temperature automatically selected. Need extra power? Dual steam burst buttons blast away stubborn creases instantly. The wide non-stick surface covers more fabric at once, and the safety shutoff keeps things worry-free while you work. Thanks for watching! Don't forget to subscribe and check out these next videos for more incredible finds and clever solutions for your home. See you in the next one.